Good afternoon, members of the City Council. My name is Laura Gonzalez. I am part of the Kills and Spills team of biologists that works for the Texas Park and Wildlife Department. We are here to discuss the research findings of the toxins present in the water here in Quintana Beach. The massive loss from this event is detrimental to our environment. Not only does it kill off massive amounts of fish in this area, but can be harmful to humans and hurt the tourism in this area for a few weeks as the cleanup begins. Right now, we are all trying to survive the heat wave that has hovered over us for the last few months. One good thing is, for some of us, we have air conditioning available or can work indoors. Marine life do not have that luxury. As temperatures increase, so does the water temperature. The average water temperature is 82 degrees in this area. On June 12, 2023, we saw this number jump up to 91 degrees. Multiple factors contribute to this die-off of Gulf menhaden fish. The ocean water, upwelling, winds, and waves all work together to sustain life on Earth. Waves are an important factor to the ocean's ecosystem. All living things need oxygen to live. Without air, we suffocate and die. There are two types of causes to the fish dying. One are natural causes, and the other are causes by human activities. Natural causes, like we have seen recently here at Quintana Beach, the temperature of the ocean water, no movement of the waves, waters are still. Ocean waters requires wind to form the waves, which allows oxygen to enter the water. When there is little wave action, the oxygen levels drop. Sunlight and the respiration of aquatic life contribute to daily variations in dissolved oxygen concentration. The more sunlight there will be more photosynthesis, and therefore a higher level of dissolved oxygen. Less photosynthesis at night and on cloudy days, plants and animals continue to use the oxygen, resulting in lower dissolved oxygen levels. Upwelling is a main factor in the overgrowth of the algae in these ocean waters. High levels of phosphorus cause an increase of growth of algae, which can decrease oxygen levels in the water. This also contributes to the production of algae blooms, which can begin to decay and take over the ocean water. This sets up a perfect combination for the rapid growth of these blooms, which produce and release a deadly toxin called brevetoxins. And brevetoxins are created from the decaying algae blooms of dinoflagellates, also called phytoplankton. They can also be associated with red tides. Since they deplete the water of its oxygen, the fish, mainly in shallow waters, suffocate to death, which leads to this massive die-off. These catastrophic events have been dated back to 1844, but only in the last 60 years have these toxins been identified and studied. The brevetoxins affect the lungs of this particular fish. The results presented here suggests brevetoxins exposure may elicit important cellular effects, including apoptosis, cell metabolism and proliferation, and cytotoxicity. is an immune-derived transformed cell line following in vitro exposure. These toxins can be harmful to humans if ingested, mainly by eating shellfish that have been contaminated with these neurotoxins. So we ask everyone to stay away from this area and out of the water until cleanup is completed. We know that these events can put a damper on the tourism in this area, but rest assured knowing that these things are natural causes, and we believe that Mother Nature always knows how to take care of herself and the different cycles this planet goes through. Humans can also disrupt the ocean's ecosystem and kill the marine life with pollution, oil spills, and pesticides. Thankfully, human